Now the next thing we need to do is we have the data table. We know if the monthly file exists or not. Now there's a decision that needs to be made here. If the monthly file exists, the data table needs to be the data table from the daily CSV needs to be inserted into that monthly file. If the monthly file does not exist, it needs to be created. Go to if, drag drop here. The condition would be monthly file exists. If it does, then append to CSV. Enter this value, monthly folder path and monthly file name. The data table will be daily data table. Else you just move the daily data table and rename it as a monthly file. Move file, drag drop into else, from daily folder path, daily file name, to monthly folder path plus monthly file name. So see, through this activity, we are doing two things. One is moving a file from one folder to another and renaming it. Go to main, drag drop process CSV, connect to the flow. We had created two arguments here in the process CSV. One is the monthly file name and the monthly folder path. And likewise, we need to have variables to be passed to this sequence. So let's create two variables here, monthly folder path and monthly file name. The monthly folder path is a default value, so we can just enter here. There you go. Don't forget to enter a slash. And the monthly file name. This needs to be calculated from the date. Provide the daily file name here. Realize that monthly file name can be calculated. It depends on us what we want the monthly name to be. We'll make it very simple. We need to extract it from the stock day. So the monthly file name would look like, for July, let's say for July, it'll look like JUL-2019 plus .csv. We do not need the monthly file name, a variable here. So you see, friends, we cannot, it's not just the variable that need to be passed here. It's not just the variables that can be passed to a sequence. You can even perform calculations in the value part. Let's delete the existing files because we are going to start afresh. We'll enter 16 July again. This time the file does not exist in the system. Let's go to the monthly staging. Yes, the file is downloaded. See, the monthly report has been downloaded as well.